Hello, my dear viewers. I hope my voice sound is okay today because I am using a different microphone. All right. So if there is any problem, please let me know. I hope there is no problem. But all right. So like every day, this is Tikas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 11th of June 2024. The day is Tuesday, and we are here with yet another stream where we will be checking the key levels for all the major currency pairs, and we'll see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in the trading setups. Okay, now for those who don't know me, I'm Rakesh. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Vikas Copy Bank. I'm an independent trader and analyst. Therefore, everything that I say is an independent idea. You cannot take it as research team's work of Vikas Copy. I'm an independent analyst. Therefore, all the trading ideas are mine, and you should not see this webinar actually as a trading advice. It is only to have an information about how the prices are about to move, or what are the ranges from where we can expect reversals, something like that. And since as a technical analyst, I know that everything is already priced in the chart, so we'll not talk about anything else other than the charts. We'll focus ourselves on the price action. And in this program, we'll be using the candlestick charts to find out the key levels. So let's go to the charts. But before that, I must show you this standard risk disclaimer. Please understand that is associated with trading the Forex. Once you have understood all these four paragraphs, you can move on to the charts. Now here it is GBP AUD, but first things first, we are going to look at the US dollar index. Okay, this is essential component. So let me take you to the daily, and this is what it is. Anybody remembers what did we talk about yesterday? That the price may continue something like this, or what did we say based on the market structure? Boom. Anyways, whatever it is now, 105.256 is where the price is trading right now. We have the immediate resistance on the way up, 105.61, which if broken, the price will continue upwards, but on the way up, it will find resistance. But if it starts going down from here, then this recent high, which is broken, will try to act as a support. Why? Because of course the recent broken high tends to act as a support, but we will not buy here. We will let the price come down and give us an opportunity at around 61.8%. Yes, now this is where we were actually looking for a buy. We were looking for a buy somewhere here, but no, it dropped all the way here to this. Yes, you remember, I think one of my friends is here from yesterday. We were from okay, we were looking for a sell here we sold low. We were looking for a buy to the upside, but anyways, so we can remove this now, and you see there's a bullish engulfing. I don't know the reason why this price has acted like this, but for whatever reason the price is acted like this. Now it is suggesting us that there is more upside to this US dollar, and based on this higher high and higher low, I'm expecting 105.11 level to act as a good support for the price to push forward towards 105.61 at least. All right. So we are looking for higher prices in the US dollar. So what does it mean? What are we looking for in these areas here? So we are looking for the selling opportunities in this one, whereas we were looking for something like okay, we are here looking for the selling opportunities here around 61.8%, which the price has not reached. So the intent is still to sell this market on the higher time frames. Okay, uh, there are so many things that we have. Why all these things are here? Why is it here? Why is it here? Why is it here? There's no need of all this, but yes, this down move which has happened today, in the last week, that is being retraced, and if it gets retraced to 1.2766, I think that will be a level of interest for the sellers to jump in and push the prices low. So if I have to draw that area for you, then I will say you can make it rectangle. Actually, this area is of interest to me. So if I remove everything else, then this is an area of interest for me to open a short position. Like something like this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. This may happen, this may not happen, but even if it happens, we'll have a very small stop loss here if we open position here, and we have potential take profit here. So essentially it will be like 1, 2, I think it will be like 1:4 is to reward ratio. If you carefully want to measure it, you can just use this, boom, from here till here it is like 43 or 44. Say you sell here, then it is 50 points. And if you decide to say short from here and then measure till here, you have almost 2 to 3 at least. Yeah. Almost. I'm not saying that it is exactly, but it's almost, if it is 40 pip stop loss. So yes, there is a potential of selling orders coming in at around 1.2767 area with the targets of 1.2643 and even lower, but I'm just targeting this fine area here. Euro USD has made another low, so any rise here on the upside should be seen as a selling opportunity. Okay, I think 61% is good, but 50% is aligning almost with this previous support, which may turn into resistance 1.0807 area. So there is a possibility. So there is a possibility that the price will go like this, and from here only it can reverse. If not here, then this is the area where I would be looking for an opportunity, because this is 78.6% and it is aligning with 1.0864, which is a very good resistance on the way up. Okay, so something like this is possible in this market, guys. Now every time I show you something like this, I don't like these previous drawings on the chart, so I will keep deleting them. Forgive me if it takes more time, but this is essential to remove them so that our charts are clean. Okay, so Australian dollar, what we are expecting in this, this equilibrium is gone, this is gone, so this rectangle is gone. Now this is a daily chart. The price is making higher highs, higher lows. Till here it made a lower low, then it made a higher high, then it made a low, it made a lower low. So what we are expecting, we are expecting a lower low, but I am very bullish on the Australian dollar. So what do? We do actually nothing when we are bullish on something and we have a counter trend. So we draw our Fibonacci again, and then we expect the price to reach for 62%. That's it. We are expecting the price to reach 0.6643 area to get short again in this market with the target of 0.6558. You do not trade what you think. Okay, this is you can take it as a word of the Bible. I'm not saying that this is Bible, but you do not trade what you think, you trade what you see. Now if you see that the price is dropping here, even if you think that the Australian dollar is going to be bullish against the US dollar, you will sell because it is falling. You will not trade what you think, you will think what is happening. Okay, so the price has to go to 0.6643 if you have to sell. If it doesn't go there, you don't sell. All right, but do you buy here? No, because the impulsive move is in a selling mode. So if the impulse is in the downside, you do not buy this market. You don't want to try to catch a falling knife. So you sell this when it reaches 62%, which is also the golden range or the golden Fibonacci whatever number. Okay, so from here you sell the low targets of 0.6558 and maybe even these lows here around sorry, my bad. Even if you can target 0.6465 and maybe even 0.6362, who knows? Guys, at any point of time, if you think that whatever I'm saying is valuable, it holds some meaning, please do not forget to smash that like button which is below the video. uh, I think that has some meaning in the YouTube algorithm, although this is not my channel, but who doesn't want some, you know? Okay, so New Zealand dollar, what is that doing? It's very, very, very bullish today. The US dollar, you can see on the daily, if the US dollar is in green, don't you think that the other currency should be in red against the US dollar? But no, New Zealand dollar decides to be green. What does it signify? It signifies that although the other currencies are weaker than the US dollar, but the pound and the New Zealand dollar are stronger as compared to the US dollar. Now, what does it mean? It means that if US dollar for some reason starts falling from here, which I think it is going to happen, why I'm thinking that that is going to happen, I'll let you know first beforehand. You see this impulsive move here, boom, boom, boom. If you draw a Fibonacci on this, if you draw a Fibonacci on this, you will realize that it has met the 62% level, or it is almost between this golden area of resistance, 62 to 70%. Now 105.61 is a crucial resistance to cross, and 61% it has already achieved. So tomorrow and day after, I am expecting the US dollar to fall. It doesn't seem like rising from here. It has created so much of imbalance, it is bound to come down. Okay, so let's see what happens tomorrow and day after. But at the same time, I'm bullish on the New Zealand dollar. I'm expecting it to reach at least 0.6217. And also in this process, if it starts going up, it is actually helping Aussie New Zealand to go down. Do you realize that? If the New Zealand dollar is going up, then Aussie New Zealand or Aussie Kiwi is going down, which is perfect for this pair to fall all the way up to 1.0570. See, I'm relating these two pairs here, okay? New Zealand dollar and so I'm expecting New Zealand dollar to be very bullish in the coming days and maybe even break out from this long-term symmetrical triangle. All right, the first target being 0.6217. Let's talk about the USD CHF. US dollar is bullish, but yes, it is about to reach a level 0.9005, which I am seeing as a very good resistance. So if this acts as a very good resistance, what it can reach for? It can reach for the previous lows here and also 0.8838, which is the ultimate target on the downside. So be prepared for this mentally, guys. These are the two levels to watch. For the USD CAD, we have already dropped below the crucial support. Now, of course, that is not the support. Now, this is 1 hour. I must take it to the daily and then only you can see. Now, this has become the resistance. The price tried to go higher, but took this, I will say, liquidity and is trying to come back. Now, if it starts coming back, to what extent it can reach 1.3590 is the minimum that I would like to see on this market. Let's see. USD JPY, we have already discussed about this yesterday that it is slowly and steadily inching towards the upside. I think after taking this liquidity, it should drop. Let's see. New Zealand CAD, well, this is what I'm expecting the price to behave something like this. Because of this swing, I'm expecting the price to get sold off above 0.8441, and it has reached that level. Now it's only a matter of time when it starts falling apart from here, and this is what I'm expecting. So this is only a matter of time, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. Bitcoin, I'm bearish now. Why? Because seeing this price action, this is the daily price action. This swing could not take the prices higher. It sold off from here and it has already breached the previous lows and has seen lower lows. Although if this would have been bullish price action, then the buyers would have already taken it at the low levels. But because it is comfortably trading at these levels. So any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity in this market, with the low targets, the first target being this one here around 60,241, and the second target being 56,564 in this market. For Brent, the price is trying to rise from here again. 82.15 is where the price is trading right now. Now, there's a lot to see in this one, but if you can remove everything, I think that will make it even easier. Now, see, from this drop here, the price has already reached and closed above the 61%. Then it fell below. It is again trying to go higher. Where and what it is seeking? I think it is seeking to go between this 83.32 to 82.64 levels, which is the fair value gap. Now, fair value gap on the daily chart, this is a huge thing to talk about. So if the price rises above 82.70 tomorrow, I think one must see it as a selling opportunity, and you should not sell it just like that. You should see a market structure change on the lower time frames to sell it with a target of 76.66 in the market. All right, keep that in mind. Gold is a sell on rise. So 2349 is where I would start selling this market. Nikkei, there's nothing, not a clear market. Although if I extend this channel to the right, I think you will see that the breakout has happened to the downside. Any test should be seen as a selling opportunity. But Euro JPY, not a very clean market to talk about. And even this fall, from this fall, the price went higher than the 78%, then it fell off and is still selling off. But I'm not very comfortable in trading this market, so I will just skip this. GBP very clean market, breakout, pull back. It has already pulled back to 1.9251, is trying to take support over here. A day or two here, if it spends above 1.9251, then the market will go very fast towards 1.9484. That is my target on this market, guys. So CHF, JPY, we expected resistance here, and the price is finding it difficult to rise high. Any close again back below 175.02 will open up the way for these lows here, and thereafter this 169.56. Before that, I think it should test this and find it hard to cross. If it finds it hard to cross, then the price may rise again. If it easily closes below 170.80, then the next target is 167.30. Audi New Zealand, we have already discussed. The price is slowly and steadily going towards 1.0570, and this is perfect. You should look for such price action. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I will be very happy to answer those questions for you. If not, then I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest. Keep those resistance and support levels on your charts. See, observe if they happen to be respected or not. In the long time, you will know that they are respected, and you can initiate trades based on those levels, and you can very easily get 1:3 risk to reward ratio when you're trading off from my levels. Thank you very much for being here. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care.